In this video, now we are going to import an existing DBT project from GitHub. For the demo, we are going to use the popular DBT project, the Jaffle Shop, which is already located in GitHub. I copied the URL. We have the repo, which is located under the DBT Labs, and the name of the project is Jaffle Shop. I'll go ahead and clone the project. Once it's cloned, now we can see that everything is already opened as part of our Rosetta DBT Studio. We can notice here that the DBT models are already in place. We have some seed file here in order to load some data if we want. There are some configurations in place and so on. But before getting started with it, we can see that since this is a new imported project, we don't have a connection yet configured for this project. So therefore, we can go to this section here and add a database connection. For the connection, I'm going to use one of my existing connections, which is the Postgres dev. It connects to a Docker container, which is currently running in my local environment. So I'll use this Postgres dev, add a connection there. Once the connection has been established, I should be able now to go ahead and run some DBT commands, do some transformations, and load the data from the seeds directory. In order to be able to load the seeds data, I need to make sure that I have properly configured the DBT project.yaml. All the data that I want to load is currently located under the Jaffle data of the seeds directory. So I'll go to the DBT project.yaml. For the seeds path, in my case, I will make sure that I use the seeds/Jaffle data in order to make sure that whenever I run DBT seeds, it goes and grabs all this data and loads to my Postgres database. Once that is ready, I can go ahead and run DBT seed. We can see that it failed because this project already has some packages that we need to install. We can either run DBT deps or go directly to project, run DBT deps from here. So we can install all the necessary dependencies in advance. So now all the dependencies are installed and this process is completed. So we are ready to run DBT seed. DBT seed now is creating the tables for us, is performing some insert statements. We can already see the schema name and table names that it is using. So everything is done, and as a result, all the 6 seeds are done within 24.89 seconds. In order to confirm this, we can go to our SQL editor, check our connection, and here we can see the raw schema where we have all the 6 tables which got created as part of the Jaffle Shop DBT project that we imported and as a result of the DBT seed command that we did run. We can run simply some checks. So I can do, let's check all the customers we have here. And this is the data about the customers and so on. Going back to the DBT Studio project, now we can start to build some DBT layers, or we can use the existing DBT models to run them or perform some analytics and so on. So we already have some data marts here. We have a staging layer, and if we want to run everything and see how things are looking as part of this project without performing any additional changes there, I can simply go ahead to project and click DBT run to run every DBT model that we have here. As a result of this will create some new views and tables, and in total there will be 7 new table models and 6 new view models. To confirm that, we can go back to the SQL editor, refresh it, and under the raw now we can see everything that we have there. Now everything is ready. Our data is in place. We can go either use these marts which got generated as part of the Mars DBT models, or use these views to perform some sort of analytics, or go back to the DBT Studio find the necessary model, for instance, in our case, customers, and start to perform some analytics or ask AI to perform some analytics on top of this model. So we can click generate analytics. So this way, now having all the necessary information about the data, structure of data, and all the layers, we can immediately see we can immediately copy some analytics which might be valuable for further processing, visualization, or understanding of our data.